So the price of mechanical keyboards is all over the place. We're talking $35, $100, $200. Wait, what? How? And honestly, you can go $500, $1,000 once you get into some of these like really high-end designer keyboards. But let's break this down. Start at the basics. You can go on Amazon, grab a keyboard that looks good, and be done. So that's exactly where I started. They sell them cheap. They have some cute keycaps and other fancy pants RGB lights on there. I'm really looking for a mechanical keyboard, right? I had been watching a whole bunch of YouTube videos and I wanted something that sounded cool like this. So I found this. This is the Mage G USB keyboard. It looks the part.